Okay, hello everyone. So in this short tutorial video, I want to show you how you can install a WordPress website in your Cloudways hosting account. Okay, so once you log in to your Cloudways account, you should not see what I see here because I already have servers installed. So for you, it should be a blank screen and you can straight away click add your first server. So for me, I'll just click on this button, add server, which is the same when you click on the button on your screen. Then on the next frame, you will see this form. They ask you to select an application. You will notice that there's a WordPress version 6, or depending on the time that you watch this video, it can be WordPress, even latest version. Or you can install WooCommerce, which is a WordPress plus WooCommerce plugin. For now, we will just install the original WordPress version 6. Okay, so click on this version 6 and they will ask you to name the managed application. I'll just put in blog. For server, I can put Asia. Okay, and the next thing you need to do is to select a cloud hosting provider. There are 5 providers here that you can choose. But my suggestion is that you can choose a DigitalOcean because it's the most affordable option out of all these 5 and the server is very fast also. So you can choose the DigitalOcean. And the next thing is you can choose the server size. For a new website, and I would say just 1 gig, selecting the premium option is more than enough. Okay, you will notice that there's both 1 gig option here. This is a 1 gig normal option, which costs $10 per month. And this is the 1 gig premium version, which is a slightly faster server that costs $12 per month. I would suggest you to select this premium version, $12 per month option, and scroll down. The last thing you need to select is the location. So where do you want your server to be located? I would suggest that you choose a location that is nearest to your business target market. If you want to target traffic or visitors from the US, you can select New York. If you want to target in Asia, you can select Singapore. Okay, so I just select Singapore in this example. So after you have select all the settings, you can click launch now. Okay, so just click launch now and it will take a few minutes for the server to be launched. Okay, so after waiting for a while, about 10 minutes later, you should see that the server is up with this www with a 1 here. So you can click over here and click on this block, which is the WordPress application that we have installed. And you can straight away see all the access details here. Okay, so for example, I can click this open in a new window and I will see this is my new WordPress website. Okay, so what you can do is that you can also log in to your WordPress panel by clicking here. This is the admin panel, username and password. You can click open, new window. Okay, after that, click to copy your email, paste in your email, then click to copy the password. Move over here, right click and paste in the password. Then you can click login. So that's it. So this is how you create a new WordPress website using your Cloudways account. So once you log in, you can proceed to design your new WordPress website. If you have any questions, you can feel free to post in the description, comments below. And if I can help, I will help to answer them. Thank you.